A black backpack left unattended near Prakash Hotel at Police Point, Iew Laitumkhrah in Shillong on the 17th of March 2025 caused panic among pedestrians who feared it might contain an explosive device. Acting swiftly, they informed the police. Police teams arrived immediately, secured the area, and began inspecting the bag. As the search was underway, concerned bystanders gathered, their fears heightened by the memories of the 2021 Iew Laitumkhrah blast. Upon opening the bag, officers found a laptop along with personal belongings. A PAN card inside identified the owner as Ahmed, a non-resident. Authorities later confirmed that the bag had been accidentally left behind and the owner was on his way to retrieve it. While it was a false alarm, the incident briefly rekindled past anxieties among local residents.